Neutron star is collapsed core of a massive supergiant star which had a total mass between 10 and 25 solar masses, possibly more if star was excessively metal rich. Neutron stars are smallest and densest currently known class of stellar object. Neutron stars have radius on the order of 10 kilometers and a mass about 1.4 solar masses. They result from the supernova explosion of a massive star combined with gravitational collapse that compresses the core past white dwarf star density to that of atomic nuclei. Once formed, they no longer actively generate heat and cool over time. However, they may still evolve further through collision or accretion. The electrons and protons present in normal matter combine to produce neutrons at the condition in a neutron star. Neutron stars are partially supported against further collapse by neutron degeneracy pressure, a phenomenon described by Pauli exclusion principle, just as white dwarfs are supported against collapse by electron degeneracy pressure. Neutron stars that can be observed are very hot and typically have a surface temperature of around 6 lakh Kelvin. Their magnetic fields are between 108 and 1015 times stronger than Earth's magnetic field. The gravitational field at neutron star's surface is about 2 into 10 to the power 11, that is 200 billion times that of Earth's gravitational field. As star's core collapses, its rotation rate increases as a result of conservation of angular momentum, and newly formed neutron stars hence rotate at up to several hundred times per second. Some neutron stars emit beams of electromagnetic radiation that make them detectable as pulsar. Neutron stars in binary system can undergo accretion, which typically makes the system bright in X-rays, while materials falling onto the neutron star can form hotspots that rotate in and out of view in identified X-ray pulsar system. Current models indicate that matter at the surface of a neutron star is composed of ordinary atomic nuclei crossed into a solid lattice with a sea of electrons flowing through the gaps between them.